Welcome to Travel Partner Official YouTube channel, your go-to destination for travel guides and tips. Be sure to subscribe for more content. Cruising the Norwegian fjords is a dream vacation for many, with its breathtaking landscapes and serene waters. Get ready to explore one of the most beautiful destinations in the world. The Norwegian fjords are a unique and fragile ecosystem, with steep cliffs, waterfalls, and picturesque villages. The best way to experience this natural wonder is by taking a cruise, which offers a range of itineraries and activities to suit all interests. When planning your cruise, consider the time of year, with summer being the peak season, and winter offering a more serene and peaceful experience. Research different cruise lines and their offerings to find the one that best fits your budget and preferences. Onboard experiences are a crucial part of any cruise, with a range of activities, from fine dining and entertainment, to fitness classes and educational lectures. Take advantage of these amenities to enhance your journey and make the most of your time at sea. Shore excursions are a great way to explore the local culture and history of the Norwegian fjords. From visiting quaint villages to hiking and kayaking, these experiences will give you a deeper understanding and appreciation of this unique region. The Norwegian fjords are home to a diverse range of wildlife, including eagles, whales, and seals. Keep an eye out for these incredible creatures, and take part in guided tours and excursions to learn more about their habitats and behaviors. One of the most popular destinations in the Norwegian fjords is the Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Known for its stunning scenery and picturesque villages, take a boat tour or hike to the top of the fjord for breathtaking views. The Norwegian fjords are steeped in history and culture, with a range of museums and historical sites to visit. Learn about the Viking era and the significance of the fjords in Norwegian folklore, and take part in traditional activities, such as folk dancing and craft workshops. Cruising the Norwegian fjords is a unique and unforgettable experience, with its breathtaking landscape and rich cultural heritage. Take the time to plan and prepare, and make the most of your journey, to create memories that will last a lifetime. As we reach the midpoint of our journey, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips, and to join our community of like-minded travelers who share a passion for exploration and discovery. The Norwegian fjords are a year-round destination, with each season offering a unique and distinct experience. From the midnight sun in summer to the northern lights in winter, plan your cruise according to your preferences, and enjoy the ever-changing landscapes and scenery. Onboard cuisine is an essential part of any cruise, with a range of dining options, from fine dining restaurants to casual buffets and room service. Take advantage of these amenities to indulge in local specialties and international cuisine. Shore excursions in the Norwegian fjords offer a range of activities, from hiking and biking to kayaking and fishing. Take part in these experiences to explore the local environment and get up close and personal with the stunning scenery. The Norwegian fjords are home to a range of unique and exotic wildlife, including puffins and reindeer. Take a guided tour or excursion to spot these incredible creatures and learn about their habitats and behaviors. One of the most popular activities in the Norwegian fjords is hiking, with a range of trails, from easy to challenging. Take a guided hike or venture out on your own to explore the stunning scenery and breathtaking views. The Norwegian fjords are steeped in history and mythology, with a range of legends and folklore. Learn about the Viking era and the significance of the fjords in Norwegian culture, and take part in traditional activities, such as folk dancing and craft workshops. As we near the end of our journey, we invite you to like and share this video with your friends and family, and to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips, and to join our community of like-minded travelers. The Norwegian fjords are a destination like no other, with its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Take the time to plan and prepare, and make the most of your journey to create memories that will last a lifetime. In conclusion, cruising the Norwegian fjords is an unforgettable experience, with its unique landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Take the time to plan and prepare, and make the most of your journey to create memories that will last a lifetime. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have enjoyed this beginner's guide to cruising the Norwegian fjords. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and tips, and to join our community of like-minded travelers. And we will see you in the next video.